बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Nutrimania, which brings all the nutritional information.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Nutrimania. As we told you some facts about coronavirus in our last video, today we will discuss about the MNT, medical nutrition therapy of coronavirus. Wearing a mask, keeping safe distance and washing hands. These rules are currently applied around the globe. There is not much more we can do except wait for an effective drug or vaccine against corona to be developed. Right? No, not quite. There is something else that is now much more important than ever, and that is medical nutrition therapy, nutrition-based treatment provided by a registered dietitian and nutritionist. According to the latest research of WHO, 2 out of 100 affected people die. Remaining 98% recover owing to their strong immunity system. Let us tell you one thing, that the shield is within yourself. Your shield is your immunity. What is immunity? Immunity is the ability of organism to resist a particular infection or toxin. Some immunoboosters that will help you fight against this deadly virus are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin E, folic acid, omega-3, zinc and selenium. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for regulation of T-cell differentiation and in innate immunity. When used on a short-term basis, can help support the body's ability to fight infections, especially with respiratory infections. Cod liver oil, eggs, fortified breakfast cereal, orange and yellow vegetable and fruits, broccoli, spinach, and leafy vegetables are the options we can have to get vitamin A in our diet. Vitamin D. Recent study has shown that the person with vitamin D deficiency may be more prone to infections, especially respiratory infections from coronavirus, and vitamin D could work as a therapeutic option for the treatment of virus. Vitamin D is important in innate antimicrobial response. Cells of immune system are capable of synthesizing and responding to vitamin D. There are vitamin D receptors and activating enzymes on the surface of all the WBCs. Sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, beef liver, egg yolk, cheese, foods fortified with vitamin D like dairy products. Now comes vitamin C. Vitamin C helps in the formation of WBCs that are essential component of immune system. Hence, the activity of immune system is increased. They also aids the action of natural killer cells and antimicrobial cells. Vitamin C is also present in neutrophils, and this is thought to be essential for their function. The sources of vitamin C are guava, pepper, strawberry, citrus fruits like oranges, lemon, and the vegetable sources are broccoli, tomatoes, and spinach. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, has been shown to increase cell division and interleukin-2 producing capacity of T cells and increase the percentage of T cells capable of forming an effective immune synapse. Vitamin E activates the mediators of inflammation, thus boosts up the immune system. The sources of vitamin E are almonds, cashew, safflower oil, wheat germ. Vitamin B6 that improve immune system. It enhances lymphocyte growth and proliferation, antibody formation and T cell activity. It is found in poultry, fish, bread, egg and soybean. Zinc is a mineral that treats upper respiratory tract infections, as we have discussed in our previous video that upper respiratory infections, the infections of nose and throat, are the first symptoms that are shown in coronavirus prior to serious complications. Moreover, zinc increases the production of interleukin 2 and natural killer cells. It is present in beef, cereals, nuts, egg, and dark chocolate. Iron. The deficiency of iron affects the capacity to have an adequate immune response. The role of iron in immunity is necessary for immune cells proliferation and maturation, particularly lymphocytes associated with generation of a specific response to infection. The sources of iron are beans and lentils, baked potatoes, cashews, dark green leafy vegetables, fortified breakfast cereals, whole grain and enriched breads, parsley, dried coconut, and organ meat. Selenium plays an important role in health of our immune system. This antioxidant helps lower oxidative stress, which reduces inflammation and enhances our immunity. Higher levels of selenium may help boost the immune system of people with tuberculosis, influenza, and HIV. Sources of selenium are seafoods, organ meat, fish, chicken, bananas, lentils, muscle meat, and cereals. Some other immune strengthening strategies are exercise regularly, at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, eating healthy and balanced diet, maintaining a healthy weight, BMI of 25 or lower, getting quality sleep, reducing stress, quitting smoking, taking steps to prevent infections like taking care of your hygiene. We hope that this video will help you fight against coronavirus and you will take proper measures to save you and your loved ones from this virus.